In industrial manufacturing, welding is the spark that keeps production moving, but those same sparks can also cause serious fire. Risks: a single splash of hot slag or an unprotected flammable area can quickly lead to accidents, equipment damage, and even personal injury. That is why industrial safety depends on small, reliable details. One of the most important safety tools in welding operations is a high-quality fire blanket. It creates an immediate barrier between high temperature, sparks, and flammable materials. Suntex welding fire blankets are designed to block splashes, resist molten slag, and cover nearby risks quickly. They help contain early-stage fire hazards and prevent flames from spreading. With a clear safety zone around the work area, welding can proceed with more confidence. But welding blankets are only part of Suntex's protection system. The company specializes in high-temperature resistant textiles and coated fabrics, offering a full range of industrial fire protection solutions. These include welding blanket fabrics, fire blankets, removable insulation jacket fabrics, car fire blankets, smoke curtain fabrics, fan flexible connection fabrics, a level air duct fabrics, and non-metallic expansion joint fabrics. Every Suntex product is made from high-quality fiberglass-based materials with professional coating technology. Strict testing and quality control ensure that the fabrics are high-temperature resistant, flame-retardant, heat-insulating, and durable enough for tough industrial environments. Unlike ordinary fabrics, Suntex fire-resistant materials resist corrosion, maintain flexibility, and perform reliably over long-term use. They are suitable for welding protection, equipment insulation, pipeline protection, fire control, smoke prevention, and many other industrial safety seen or iOS. In the end, industrial safety is not about expensive solutions. It is about protecting people, equipment, and production stability. Suntex focus on real performance, not empty marketing. With fabric as armor and craftsmanship as a shield, Suntex provides reliable fire protection for every industrial operation.